I don't know what to post ends today. You'll build an AI idea engine that generates, scores, and organizes endless creative sparks. Start by feeding GPT your themes, voice, and audience. It returns idea banks, 50 headlines, 30 hooks, 20 hot takes. Then, score. GPT predicts engagement potential based on past content. Ideas are tagged educational, emotional, contrarian, for balance. Organization is automated. Airtable plus AI turns ideas into calendar slots. Grouped by content pillars. When posting day arrives, GPT expands headline right pointing arrow draft script right pointing arrow caption plus CTA. Visual prompts are generated for Midjourney. Canva templates keep branding tight. Over time, engine learns which hooks resonate, which tones fly. Weekly, GPT emails you idea packs tuned by analytics. Result: no blank page days again.